Yarek Carnegie, the first time I found out about you, somebody linked me and said, MG, you must know the youth, yeah. Play for Manchester, wicked ball. I say, alright, who names so? Yarek Carnegie, how was the performance tonight? What do you think about your performance tonight?
My performance tonight wasn't a big performance, but I went out there and played nonetheless. Yeah.
It was a tough match. I can say that it was a tough match. You didn't get a goal, but you worked extremely hard. How happy are you about the victory? Your Manning Cup, all the Casa Cup victory.
Very happy. Very, very happy. It's my first major title.
First major title.
First.
Great. When you got selected for the team, were you surprised?
No, not really.
Not really. But you were elated to be in the team, right? All right, very much so. And congrats again on your first title, first schoolboy title. Will you see Yarek Carnegie next season?
No, this is my final. This was my final season.
All right, at least I end off it with something, a trophy, I would say. All right, well done here.
All right.